A simple example from life. Imagine that you have money and somebody comes to you and suggests that you give him your money. And he explains it like this. I know how to make a profit. You give me your money, and after a while, let's say after a year, I'm going to give it back to you with some interest, let's say 60% interest. Is it bad? No. 60% interest is not that bad at all. But I'm going to give your money to this person. Maybe there are those who are going to, but actually, if you're a normal guy, probably you think, why should I give my money to this person? I don't know him at all. I never met him. I don't know what kind of business, how he makes his profit. Maybe he's selling drugs. Maybe he's just crazy. I don't know. So in this particular situation, you have to think very thoroughly. And more than probable that you are not going to give your money to this person. But in the market, this is a very, very common situation, that we give our money based on our dreams, on something that we don't know. And imagine that the stock market is this kind of person. If you just give your money, the result is going to be very, very, very bad. If you're going to invest your money in this manner, the result is going to be very obvious. When I say obvious, I mean it's going to be obviously bad, because you're going to lose. Why does it happen? Very often. And why so many people lose their money? When you're investing, and when you're investing your money in business, any kind of business, everything has to be clear from the very beginning. So you need to have, you need to have a solid basement where you're going to build your expectations. Because your expectations should not be built on your dreams or just thoughts or any other examples. Let's say somebody made money, Warren Buffett made money, somebody else made money, and you decide to do things like they did, right? But you don't have the mechanism how they make money, right? But you just have your own ideas, and you become addicted to the idea of becoming the same rich. But actually, it is not enough to become rich, right? Just your idea to become rich is not enough to be rich. So, what is the basement? So, what is this solid basement I'm talking about? When you do business of any kind, so what is the first thing that you want to have? It is a business plan, right? Business plan. And what does the business plan include? The business plan includes something that describes very clearly the nature of the business, previous results if they are available, and your expectations. When I say expectation, I mean not dreams. I mean mathematical expectations that show you how your business is going to develop. This is a very brief description of what a business plan is, but this is something that you need to have. If you don't have that, that means you don't know how you can build your business, because you don't know how this mechanism works. And this is a very important and, I would say, crucially important thing. This is the crucial point in all investment. Why do people lose their money? Because they just turn away from that. And why do they turn away from that? Because this requires some hard work. It is not something that you can do easily. It is not something that you can do easily. It requires very serious attention and very serious attitude. So what we need to have is a business plan. Okay. I will write it. Business plan. So the business plan becomes the crucial point in your whole investments. And this is actually simple, right? Because this is what responsible investors in the West do. They have the business plans. And this is how the Western economy works. They have business plans. And business plans can be estimated. And people decide, let's say, I have a few business plans and I can choose which one is going to be more efficient. That is why the Western approach to business has become a pattern for others. Let's say, this is nothing special. This is just healthy and responsible approach. Is there something that is going to help us develop such approach when we invest in the stock market? And you have to answer this question. If you don't have an answer to this question, that means that you shouldn't involve yourself in this kind of business. The idea of developing the kind of scientific attitude to the stock market is not a new thing, right? It appeared a long time ago. So Japanese candlesticks, Elliott waves, etc. All this shows the man's desire to develop something that will help to establish some systems in the stock market. The systems that would clearly show when to sell, when to buy. And you see quite a few of these systems. You just open any software and let's say TradeStation, Metastock, Stockworker, and they all have the trading systems. They all have quite a few trading systems. It is not a secret at all. You just have a look and you see.